Hey everybody, it's Tim Ballasty. It is August 28th, and I want to take a brief look into the world of Tropical Storm Erika, see where it is right now and where it could be going, and some of the impacts that it might have for the southeast U.S. Right now, there's Erika, and it's big, massive thunderstorms just south of Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic. The center of Erika is actually somewhere out here on the western periphery of this big mass of thunderstorms. So that means that there's these upper level winds that are coming out of the west and kind of helping to shear the tops of the thunderstorms, blow them off to the east, which leaves the center of circulation kind of exposed. So there it is, the center of circulation right down there. Now, where's it going? Let's take a look next. This is the projected path that was put out by the National Hurricane Center yesterday, Thursday at 5 p.m. And you can notice this path that takes it on a west-northwest, generally north of Hispaniola, which is Haiti and the Dominican Republic, and then through the Bahamas and up the eastern side of Florida. But today, the projected path is a little bit different, and because of Erika's push more to the west. And now it's located just south of the Dominican Republic, and the forecast path is to take it right through Hispaniola, and then just south of the southern Bahamas, north of Cuba, and towards Florida. But notice that the intensity level, it never reaches hurricane strength. The National Hurricane Center now puts out an intensity forecast, keeping it below hurricane strength just as a tropical storm. So I have a few doubts about Erika and whether it can survive its trek through Hispaniola. Again, getting back to the center of circulation, there's a little bit of a spin right here. That is where the center of circulation right here is. It's not under this big old cloud cluster of thunderstorms. So I'm a little bit... I really don't know if Erika is going to be able to survive its trek through Haiti and the Dominican Republic, because it's a very mountainous island, Hispaniola is, and mountains are very good at destroying the low-level circulation of a tropical cyclone. One thing that is for sure, unfortunately, is that there's a very good chance there is going to be tremendous rain across Haiti and the Dominican Republic, which is not very good for these both of those island nations. Flash flooding is going to happen most likely, and I can foresee lots of mudslides and debris flows, especially more so for Haiti. So this is a look at model guidance, and a lot of the models, they're clustered on this track cutting right through Hispaniola, south of the Bahamas, north of Cuba, and then pushing towards the peninsula of Florida. Still, I think there's an outside chance, though, that the more west Erika travels, the better chance that it'll end up on the Gulf side of Florida. But with all that being said, I think some of the main impacts that we're looking at from Erika will be heavy rainfall. Not only heavy rainfall for Hispaniola and parts of Cuba and parts of the Bahamas perhaps, but definitely heavy rainfall for the state of Florida. And I think wind impacts are going to be fairly minimal, and I think surge impacts or water level rise will be fairly minimal too. And I don't think Erika is just going to be a Florida story either. Heavy rainfall will eventually likely end up in some state of the southeastern U.S. Could it be Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, or perhaps all three? That's something that we don't have quite a good handle on yet. But I think in the short term, looking at 3 to 4 days, I think heavy rainfall can definitely be expected for the state of Florida, which in some cases, especially South Florida, they desperately need, because believe it or not, South Florida is in a pretty extensive drought right now. All right, that's it for now. I'll update later, either later this week or early next week. Thanks, y'all.